Welcome back to Blazin Tech. We have a new video today. The video today is how to create presets for Photoshop. So let's get started. So first we actually have to click on create new. So we'll go ahead and click right here on the under the presets on the right side. You could name it something. Let's name this test or let's name this YouTube 1080. You could change these dimensions to 1080 1920 by 1080 in height. You could change the orientation here if you want it straight, if you want it horizontal or vertical, or you could click on artboards, and you could change the pixels per inch, pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, and picas. You can change all that. You can change the background content to black, background color, transparent, or custom, depending on what your choosing is. So here we actually have this here. So make sure you click on that little arrow downwards to save the preset. You name this YouTube 1080p, and that'll actually save your presets right here when you hit save. So you hit save, and you'll see under the saved options, you'll see the YouTube 1080p, which I have other presets here as well. So if you want to actually delete the preset, you can actually click on the trash can and it actually removes it from the studio. So that's pretty simple, guys. Like, if you have any questions on any of this, how to create more presets or how to do this, how to do that, feel free to ask, comment down below. If you have any types of videos you want me to make, feel free to comment down below. I'll respond to you as fast as possible. If you like this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up. Peace out, peeps.